Hey, Dan Passarelli here. One of the things that we watch as option traders is the VIX. The VIX is the implied volatility of the SPX, which is the S&P 500, as calculated by the CBOE. Takes lots of strikes into account. And if you look at a chart of SPY, we see that we had about almost a month of declining prices. Been kind of grinding it back over the last couple of days. Had some ups and downs here, but the last 2 days were, closed up higher than our lows. The other thing I want to call your attention to here is VIX, which is at 1697. Now, 1697 is a lot higher than it's been. It has been a fair amount lower for quite a while, for the past few months. Now, if we look down here at this volatility chart for SPY, which is a good proxy for SPX, we see that implied volatility is residing far, far above historical volatility. Now, what does all this mean, and why do we care about this? Because option prices are really expensive right now, and in maybe a potentially unwarranted way. So what does that mean? That means income trades can be very, very strong candidates right now. Obviously, we want to pick our spots, and we want to do it on, we could do it on SPY. We can do it on a number of individual stocks as well. But we're able to sell very, very expensive, overpriced option premium right now. And these are the kind of things that we look at as option traders. I hope it helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Have a great rest of your evening. Trade smart.